Hello guys, welcome back. It's going to show here how to start to understand through something we can start to realize on it. So this is going to be about first of all what you're gonna do. It's about start to go over here on Figma and start to go with certain thing. You can start to to use it ever we want about to go for Figma and this really remove to remove flow. So really what you're gonna do to remove flow removing everything is really how to be depending on that. So I would go to prototype, which is going to be about this one, and as you can see, we're gonna start to select the frame from the start, and then what you're gonna start to click on the blow flow handle. That should be read about that, and that is almost about everything you want.